Hi there, my name is Avery and I am here to invite you to a workshop that I'm teaching this coming Saturday. This is the second in my J-Term ukulele workshop series, which has been fun so far. And this workshop is called Playing and Singing Harmony with the Carter Family. Now, the reason I'm doing harmony singing and Carter Family songs together is because when the Carter family brought lots of traditional tunes, mostly from the Appalachian region of America, to a mainstream audience through their recordings. This was back in the 20s and 30s. When they did that, they were also bringing these really rich, what we sometimes call bluegrass harmonies. And what I mean by that is these songs are musically fairly simple with maximum 3 chords. And when you only have 2 or 3 chords to work with, it makes it a little bit easier to start to find harmony lines to sing along with whoever is singing the melody. So in this workshop, we're going to divide it up into 2 parts. The first part I call Around the World with the Carter Family, and we're just going to get to know a bunch of Carter Family songs that are really fun to sing and in all different keys. One of my favorites that we'll start with in our nice familiar key of C goes like this. Oh, bury me under the weeping willow, under the weeping willow tree, so that he may know where I am sleeping, and perhaps he'll weep for me. One of my favorites, if you can't tell. So we'll start off with songs like that that are just really great to sing for the soul and fairly easy to play as well. And again, only 3 chords per song. So good if you're still an advanced beginner or just know the different keys but don't feel super confident about all the super complicated chords that come up in these different keys as well. In part 2 then, we'll turn our attention to the harmony singing. And that's where we're going to learn how to take our ukulele and listen out for the notes that are being made in the chords to help us find the notes that we can then add to the melody to create some harmony lines. That's a little bit harder to demonstrate with just me and a camera. So at the very end of this video, I'm going to send you out with a recording I made of that very same song where you'll hear some of the harmonies that we're going to play around with. But before I let you go, just a quick reminder, this is Playing and Singing Harmony with the Carter Family. That workshop is this Saturday, January 20th. Yes, that's right, 2018, here in Portland, Oregon at the West Hills Unitarian Universalist Fellowship. That's in Southwest Portland. Part 1 starts at 10 a.m., goes till about 11:15. Then we'll take a break. Part 2 starts at 11:30, goes to 12:30. You're welcome to sign up for both parts or just one or the other individually, depending on what you're interested in. And you can get all the details and get your registration in at learnsongbysong.com. Really hope to see you there. Enjoy.